Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. How y'all guys doing? Thank you again for coming back. I am back to teach you a classic. It's called Tea Time. It is a one wall dance, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instruction. But before I do, as a friendly reminder, if you want to dance along to the music, I'll post it at the end of this video, okay? Just click on it and we can dance together. If you are in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. Also, guys, I want to give a shout out to everybody that have registered for the NOLA Southern Experience. Thank you for your support. If you have not, why not? If you have not, why not? Check out the 4-day line dance weekend, the NOLA Southern Experience, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration is open right now and you can book your hotel. Visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. And we'll be doing this classic at the NOLA Southern Experience. So come on guys, let me get you together. So let's face this wall right here. I think I need a little more lights. Give me a minute. Okay, here we go. All right, so it's a wall dance, and this is our wall right here. So we're gonna start on the left. We're gonna step on the right. We're gonna step, lift, tap up and back. Then we're gonna do the same thing on the left. Step on the left, lift, tap forward and back. Do it again. Step, lift, forward and back. Now, while we have that left heel up, we're gonna do a transition to get to the back wall because we're gonna do this twice. So we step up, tap up, back, and do a half turn, right, left. And that's part one. You're gonna do the same thing on the back wall. Let's do it again. So we actually did it on the right, the left, and the right. And then we did the transition. So step on the right. 1, up, 2, up, 3, back 4, left 5, up 6, up, 6, 7, and 8. Step 1, 2, up, 3, and 4. And on that left, stay on that left, 5, back 6, turn 7, 8. And at this wall, we're going to do the same thing. Step up on that right. 1, lift 2, up 3, 4, left 5, lift 6, 7, back 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, same leg, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's a half turn. Again, step on the right, lift left, tap forward and back. Step on the left, lift right, tap forward and back. Step on the right, lift left, forward and back. And on the left, we're going to go forward, back, half turn, right, left. With the right shoulder coming back. Same thing here. Step, lift, forward and back. Step left, lift, forward and back. Step right, lift, forward and back. And on that left, again, don't switch out. You go forward, back, half turn, right, left. And that's part one, okay? So let's put it with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, left 5, back 6, turn 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, left 5, 6, 7, 8, right 1, 2, 3, 4, left 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're back at this wall. So part one, you're just doing it twice, front and back wall. So let's move forward. So we shuffle, we rock, right, left, shuffle back, right, left, right, left, right, left. It's right, left, you shuffle back on the right and the left, and you just step up. Right, left, right, left. Let's do that. Rock for 4. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Back 5 and 6, 7, and 8. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? Exactly. Now, real easy. Out, in, out, tap left, step. Right, left, right, left. Let me see. 2, half turn. Right, left, left. Out, in, out. Tap, right, left, left. Real simple. Okay? So let's put that together. I'm going to call that part 2. Rock for 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shuffle back. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out 1, 2, 3, 4. Half 5, 6, 7, 8. Out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's go back to the top. Very, very top. Part 1, 5, 6, 7. Step right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right 1, 2, 3, 4. Left 5, 6, half 7, 8. Step right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, 4. Shuffle 5 and 6, 7, and 8. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out and in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out and in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so out, in, out, tap. I tap on the left and go on down on the left and then tap. Step on the left and tap right. Right, left. That's half turn. Out, in, out, tap, right, left. So that part you do twice. Now, here we go. The next part is the chorus. So you step right. Right, lift, left. Left, lift, right. Right, left, quarter turn, left, right, left. I'm sorry. Let me move over. So we take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right. Say it with me. Left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right. Okay, that's what you're going to do. So come back on your right. Right, lift, left, lift. Right, left, left, right. So the last step will be on your right. And we did a quarter turn to the left. The weight is on my left. Come back on the right. Right, lift, left. Left, lift, right. Right, lift, left. When you're on that left, left, right. Left, right. Last step on your right. Quarter turn to my left. Now come back on the left. Remember here, I came back on my right. When I did left, right. My last step was on my right. I come back left. Turn back. Left, lift, right. Right, lift, left. Left, lift, right. Quarter turn to my right. Right, left. That's the chorus. Okay? I feel like this is the part you would have trouble with. So if I can give you pointers, this wall here, you're going to come back on your right and then lift left. Here, you come back on your left. So what I need you to do is when you step back, turn back on your right and lift. Left, lift, right, left, right. Left. See how I turn back on my left? Lift, right, lift, left. Lift, right, left. That's your chorus. And you do that twice. Okay? So that's That's going to take a little practice. Let me give you the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Last step is on the left. Okay, now let's put it all together. And then we're going to get to the bridge, and that's the dance. All right? And notice we still at the front wall, one wall dance. Okay? So the verse is step lift. 5, 6, 7 with a half turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shuffle back. 5, then 6, 7, and 8. Heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out and in on the right. 1, 2, 3. Tap around. Half. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Yes? Now, let's do the bridge. So you rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, roll 5, 6, 7, 8, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, rock 5, 6, 7, roll back. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, roll 5, 6, 7, 8, rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, roll 5, 6, and 7, 8. I'm gonna come back and get y'all just showing you what I did, what we's gonna do for the bridge. Okay, so we rock for 4. Right, left, right, left. Then we roll back. Turn that shoulder. Right, left, right. Tap, left, right, left, tap. Let's rock again. Right, left, right, left. Then roll back. Right, left, right. Tap, left, right, left, tap. Then we rock again. Right, left, roll right. Put that leg in the front, then roll left. Okay? Now let's put it together. So we rock, we rolled out to the right, we rolled out to the left. Rocked again, rolled out to the right, roll out to the left, rocked again, roll up on the right, and roll on the left. Then it goes back to the chorus. Every time, back on that right. But to the bridge, here we go. 5, 6, rock it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, roll 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, rock 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. It's 1, 2. So that's it. Now, let's go back to the rotation. So rotation 1. Rotation 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to do that front and back wall. You're going to do rock, shuffle back with the heel up, heel up, heel up, heel up, heel up, out and in. Tap around, right, left, out and in. Tap around, right, and then go to the chord. That's rotation 1. Rotation 2, you're going to do the same thing. Step up, front and back wall, okay? Then you're going to go rock and shuffle back, right? And then come up Then you go out and in and you tap around, half turn. You go out and in again, tap around, half turn, right, left. Then you do this part again. Rock, 1, 2, 3, 4. Shuffle back and heel. That's right. Part 2, you're going to do it twice. That's the second rotation. Out and in, out and in, out and tap, right, left, out, in, out, tap, right, left, right, and then go to the chorus. And you do that twice, okay? You do that twice. Now, after that, here comes the bridge. That's the rock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and the chorus. Every time. I try to lose my mind. And take it back. You're going to do that. So whenever you get to this part, you're going to do it twice. Right, left, left. Right, left, and start over. So it kind of go into a third rotation, but you're not going to do all of it. But you do it in order until the song ends. And I try to lose it and shuffle back. And it ends on this part. That's it. So that is Tea Time. That's a classic. Brooklyn, hey, come on. Y'all don't know Brooklyn? So watch the demo and you know exactly what I'm talking about. But I have given you every part of the dance that you need. Part 1, part 2, the chorus, part 3, and the bridge. Okay, so you only have to watch the dance for the rotation, and it's just as I explained. But I have just taught you everything you need to do to learn to do this dance, okay? Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. That is Tea Time. And I appreciate your time. Thank you guys for always clicking on these videos and watching. If not, I'll be talking to myself. I hope to see you at the NOLA Southern Experience. We're going to have a wonderful time. We're going to be doing Tea Time. So go over to my website, check out the details. You have more than enough time to prepare. But I tell you what, we always sell out, so don't wait too long. Visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.